Hello, oily friends and family. Joining me this Monday. It's a meditation Monday. We're gonna share a little Roman chamomile today. Little helps calm the nerves. It's relaxation. That's so lovely, guys. Gotta get on it. One drop. Inhale 2 or 3 times. Roman chamomile. Fun fact about Roman chamomile. In Greece, the women would put it on the warriors before they went out into battle to give them courage. Let's get our courage on. Okay, greet a new dawn, a new day. Let's get to it. If you, like many people, find yourself repeating patterns of anxiety or feeling stuck in the same cycle of reactivity, try this visualization when you need a reset or a new beginning. Forgive yourself for yesterday. Forgive yourself for yesterday, folks. Okay. Approach a new day and let the light in. Let the sun shine. Okay, imagine, number one, imagine a dark night sky. Build up as much detail as you can in your mind's eye. Are there any stars in your sky or clouds? Is there a moon? What phase is it in? And what is the quality of its light? Number two, picture your virtual surroundings. Where are you? Are you inside looking out? Are you in nature? Are you in a city? What is around you? Take a moment to fill in the scene surrounding you with as much specific details as you can. Number three, now return to watching the sky. Imagine the darkness is starting to dissolve and light is beginning to slip through, like a door slowly beginning to open. Concentrate on the quality of the emerging light. What color is it? Are the stars, moon, clouds, or other things in your scene changing as the light enters? And number four, watch everything in your scene as the sky becomes lighter and lighter. As it does, notice how your mind too becomes lighter and lighter. Be well, folks. Love you. See you next time.